You will learn about Azure Public IP Prefix, the Azure service that allows you to create and reserve multiple IP addresses to use for your virtual machines, load balancer, NAT gateway, VPN gateway, or the Azure firewall. An Azure Public IP Prefix is a reserved range of public IP addresses. It will be assigned from a pool of addresses in each Azure region. A public IP address can then be created from this prefix. IP addresses are reserved for your use until you delete your prefix. You can reserve a prefix with only one IP, 2 IP, that is /31, 4 IP, 8 or 16 IP addresses, but you cannot create more than that. Let's see how that works. So typically you would create a public IP prefix with, for example, the prefix /28 here, that will create 16 IP addresses, and then from that prefix you can go to create a new public IP and assign a specific IP address from that pool to your public IP. So the range here 172.201.203.176/28 are all IP addresses that are reserved for you, so it's up to you to use it. You own it and you manage it. Follow me next for a demonstration on the Azure portal on how to create a new public IP prefix and create a new public IP address from that prefix.